Welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk Blair. I'm going to show you this 2019 Jayco 195RB. It's actually a really small trailer that has a lot of great amenities. It's not huge. It's a 19-foot house. It's a Jayco product. It's going to come with a 2-year warranty out of the gate. This trailer in particular has a lot of great features to it. Let's go ahead and walk kind of around the outside and I'll show you what it's got. It does have a pass-through storage bay up front. We like that. We like more storage stuff all the way across there. That is accessible from under the bed as well, and I can show you that inside. So for a small trailer, this also has a power awning with outdoor speakers. It's going to have all your good Jayco stuff. It's going to have a rear bumper with a spare tire, LED lights throughout. Let's take a look inside real quick and I'll show you. So let's kind of start from the front to back on this guy. The front of this guy, you notice it's got a nice big window there that opens up, so you actually feel a lot of spacious in here for a little trailer. You do have nice large nightstands, upper storage area, closets on either side of the bed, and that storage area, like I said, goes all the way across underneath there. So you have a lot of room for storage for a little trailer. Stereo system, dinette booth also makes a bed, great for a couple. This is a good couples trailer. It's also very lightweight, so this is towed by a lot of your smaller crossover SUVs, minivans, a lot of that kind of stuff. And then you have your kitchen on this side. It doesn't have a rooftop AC. They put them on the side on these guys. You do have all the amenities. You got a fridge underneath the counter. You have a upper skylight with the AC over here is kind of a nice option. And then you also have a nice big pantry. And as you make your way through the kitchen, you have a huge pantry right here, which is pretty rad. Big pantry, lots of storage space. And then you make storage space here as well. Big entry closet right when you walk into the unit. Kick your shoes under the shelf. And then a decent sized bathroom for yet again a little trailer. It's got a full amenities, all you need. Double skylight in there and a shower tub combination there. Well, this trailer or any other trailer here at Guaranty RV, new or used or anything, I'm happy to help you. My name is Kirk Blair, Captain Kirk. Looking forward to helping you. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.